I just spent the last month riding my heart out in Mammoth in California, and this is the first big adventure I've taken this truck camper on. This week, I am fixing some stuff on the RV. It's maintenance week. I've got to chill and get these things done so I can hopefully head up to Bachelor. That's the plan. Oh, also, I want to find something cool to do while I'm in this area because I'm still traveling. Sure, I wasn't supposed to park here last night. Okay, I think I'm okay. Oh man. The first thing that needs to be fixed with the RV is when the camper batteries die, so does my truck, and it leaves me stranded. I'm gonna get a battery isolator installed today with Bob. That should fix all my problems. My camper should charge, and then it shouldn't be connected to where the camper drains the truck batteries as well. It's not fun.
Two hours later.
Sweet, the battery isolator is installed. I just finished up at the mechanics and I've got to test it tonight. I'm going to keep my camper plugged into my truck, and if the truck's dead in the morning, I'll just call AAA. That's the benefit of staying in the city. But I'll show you what I was having to do every single night in this camper. I would park at night. I would come down to the ground, open this little door to the truck bed. There is a plug. I'd have to unplug this every single night. I would replug it in every morning, and it was a big pain. If I forgot, potentially my truck would be dead in the morning. So it's gonna be so nice to have that isolator in. My batteries haven't been charging, so either they're bad or the charging system is bad. So taking them to Battery and Bulbs and having them check them will rule out one of those two problems. Hey, I'm coming to pick up my batteries that were getting tested.
All right. What was the name?
Alicia.
Alicia?
Figured out the problem. It is the charging system. My batteries are just fine. Here's what happened to my ladder. I had it all folded up so that I could access my generator under it. I parked up here and I couldn't turn around in the morning, so I had to back down this really icy, narrow road, and it was full of snow. And I crushed my ladder into this tree, and so there's only this half of the ladder. This little part is this broke off, and that's what I need to get fixed. That's where my ladder used to be. That's what they fixed right there. This thing was broken in half, and these are my new brackets. What to do in Carson City? I can't find anything like good. Okay, are there any hot springs near me? Ooh, Carson Hot Springs. Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Carson Hot Springs. Well, it's really hard. straight behind us, there's a horse. What the heck? Okay, that's a wrap for the week. I feel pretty good about getting things fixed on my RV so I can keep moving with my trip. I'm headed to Mount Shasta and I met some really cool people. I met this cool musician who was on the road who just stopped over. I don't know if he's been to those hot springs before. I also met a local lady who runs a cat sanctuary with over 100 cats. I didn't have time to go visit her cat sanctuary either, but they're open on Fridays. I thought it was a good week.